Hi everyone, today we'll learn how to insert an image in Photopea. I'm going to show you four methods, okay? The first method is drag and drop. So before we do that, we're going to create a project. Let's say we're creating a YouTube cover. Let's just create it. Okay, now you just have to drag and drop the image that you want to put here. It will take some time. See, it's here. You can resize it the way you want. Okay. So this was the first method, and this is the second one, open and place. So go to file, then go to the open and place, and then select the image. It will show up here. Okay. So our third method is from clipboard. So let's say you want to copy this. Just right click and select copy image, and then go here and then press Ctrl and V. See, it showed up here. Okay. However, if you're just only working with an image, you can just open it and you'll see that it opened the image. So this is the way to insert an image in Photopea. I showed you four methods. Please subscribe to my channel. Thanks a lot.